guys, welcome back to another video. Here we're going to show you how to sharpen the mower blade so you can have that perfect cut on your lawn. I set up this table here with a vise. I'm using a Dewalt angle grinder to sharpen the mower blade. This blade has never been sharpened before, so it's a new blade. And when you're sharpening it, you don't want to grind down too much. Must wear a nose mask to protect your lung from dust particles. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. This is a better angle of what's happening when you sharpen the mower blade. You see, you don't want to take off too much material. You just want to have a little sharp edge. Okay, look like we finished on this one side. So this is how it's supposed to look like. And we're going to test it with a piece of stick in a few minutes. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Now you can make it much better than this, but what you got to do is you got to flatten the edge and then sharpen it back as normal. Well, here's the piece of wood that we're going to use to test if it's sharp or not. So you just put the wood in, and this is just a scrap piece of wood. You can use another piece if you like, but I use an old piece here. I'm going to throw this wood out. So it looks like it's sharp there, so it doesn't need any further sharpening. I sharpened both sides of the blade already. So now we're going to balance the blade. Usually I use a string and connect it to the middle of the blade. We're checking it to see if it's level. If one side, let's say the right side, is heavier than the left side, it means that the right side you have to take off some material with the angle grinder so you can make it lighter so that the blade can be level. An uneven blade can cause vibration in the motor and shorten the motor life. So if your blade is badly balanced and is badly worn out, you might have to replace the blade. Otherwise, you could damage the mower motor. So here we're gonna try clean out the bottom of the mower, and it got some heavy deposits of grass on it. So I just use a crowbar or anything that that's heavy to dig it out. Alright, we're going to install the mower blade now. So there's only one bolt that goes on, but there's other two pieces of metal that holds in the blade. So the bolt itself have a compression washer. Make sure you have that compression washer, because otherwise the bolt is going to get slack. So without the compression washer, the blade could come out while you're mowing. So this is a dangerous thing here to do. Now when you're tightening it, right? When you're tightening the mower blade, you have to wedge it with some pieces of wood so that it doesn't accidentally start. Another safety thing that you can do is to disconnect the spark plug lead, and that will cause the mower not to start in case if you turn the blade. So anytime you're tightening this blade, make sure the blade does not turn too much. Otherwise the mower could start and you can get hurt. Alright, ready to cut the grass. Check for the gas, and usually the gas I use is a gas that doesn't have no ethanol inside. So the ethanol usually clogs up the carburetor. Bought this one from Home Depot and it costs about $26. Alright, let's cut the grass. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.